Hello. In today's lesson, we are covering drawing solids. Um, Basically, what we are trying to do, we are trying to show a 3D shape on a two-dimensional plane. There are two ways of doing that. One is called isometric drawing. The other one is called Cavalier drawing. In this system, in isometric, what we do, all the vertical lines stay vertical. So when I'm looking at an object, all the vertical lines stay vertical, stay vertical, and all horizontal lines, means the lines on a horizontal surface, are shown at an angle to the a horizontal line that we have on our plane. You know that on our plane, when I have a line like this, on my plane, when I have a line like this, it is a horizontal line. And when I have a line like this, it is a vertical line. This is a vertical line, this is a horizontal line. But what we are going to do, what we see on when we look at a solid, if it is vertical, it stays vertical. So these lines are all vertical. So it's showing the vertical edges. But if it was horizontal, when we see it like that, we are not going to show it like that. We are going to show it at 30 degrees with that horizontal line like this. And also we have sort of turned the shape. So if that is, if I can show this, yeah. Say that's a textbook, and it is in the form of a rectangular prism. All right, when you look at it, all you see is this front face, which is just a rectangle. You see that rectangle? But we are not going to look at them this way. We are going to turn it a bit and something like that. So we are going to see two faces, this face and this face. And you will see that edge. So here we have the same thing. So here, that is that edge, and that is one face, that's another face. So we are not looking at that as this, in this form. In this form, but what we are going to do, we are looking at it in this form. So we have two faces. Two faces, we see two faces. This face and this. That is in that system. In the other system, sometimes they call it also oblique drawing. What we have is still we keep it this way. So still you are seeing this face. Still you are seeing this face. You're not meant to be seeing other faces. Like you're not meant to be seeing this face around, and you're not meant to be seeing this face around this face. But still, we show a bit of that face, like this, but this time at 45 degrees. Okay, that is oblique, that is isometric. All right. If you were asked to draw any of isometric shapes, you will be given a isometric page. This is an isometric sheet of paper, and we have dots, as you can see, and we use that to draw isometric drawings. So this is the oblique form they have given to me, and they ask me in this example, show them in isometric form. So I need to show this in isometric form. So what we are going to do, we are going to start from here. I've already done here, but I do it again to clarify a bit more. So you start from here. So I'm starting from here. So, and it goes for 2 units. So 1 and 2. So if I start here and I go up 2 units, and remember, vertical line stays vertical. That's the vertical line. So I'm drawing also as vertical. Then this is a horizontal line that goes for 2 units. So 1 and 2. So I go 2 units. That's 1. That's 2. And this also on the other side goes for 2 units. Remember, this is now this bit. Now, to the left of that, you have also 2 units. So you go 2 units. That's 1 unit. That's 2 units. 2 units. All right, then we go vertically up by 1 unit. So go vertically up by 1 unit. So you got that. And then we have this horizontal line, which is 2 units. So from the top of that, there is a horizontal line for 2 units. So that is my horizontal line. That's 1 unit. That is 2 units. Okay, now I draw this horizontal line, which is 2 units also. That is 1 above this. So that is the bottom one. So that is above that. So draw this. And then I draw this vertical line. So I draw this vertical line. And there is a vertical line in here also. I draw this. Then there is a horizontal line here that goes for 2 units. So you draw this for 2 units. And then a vertical line coming down. And there is another vertical line. Then there is a horizontal line going by 1 unit. So horizontal line that goes by 1 unit. Then you just complete the rest as you see. So this is done. Now we do this bit. That's also done. Now I draw this line. Vertical line stays vertical. And then I draw on this line. This line, we won't be able to see all of that, so we just draw that bit. And this is the last one, which we are left with. That is this oblique one shown in isometric form. That is the isometric form. Then if it is a cone, we want to draw a cone, what we need to do, we need to draw an oblique at the base and then join them like this at its top. The only thing is at the back we will not be able to see this line, so that will be dashed, but the front one we will be able to see this part of this circle at the base. So it has to be a solid line. The part that you are seeing will be solid, The part that is at the back and you cannot see it will be dashed. And to draw a cylinder, the same. You got to do two ovals, one at the top, one at the bottom, and this bit as is at the back, we cannot see it, so it stays dashed, but this shouldn't be dashed. So this should be a solid vertical, like this. To draw a rectangular pyramid. So this is a rectangular pyramid. To draw it, what you need to do, draw the base as a parallelogram. So this is the base, draw as a parallelogram. Then what you do once you draw a parallelogram at the base, as the base, find its center, like this is its center. Then go up vertically. So go up vertically by whatever the height is, like this. Then join all the corners of this parallelogram to that point. So as you can see, I've connected this to that point, this corner to that point, this to that point, and this to that point. That is how you draw a pyramid. If it was a square pyramid, for the base, you need to draw a rhombus. This is a rhombus as the base. Then again, find its center as we did before. Find the center of the rhombus and go up by the height. Then connect all the vertices of the rhombus into that point. That will complete your pyramid, square pyramid. Thank you for your attention to this lesson.